In the beginning, Chukwu Okike, the great God, created the Igbo people, male and the female, and brought them to their ancestral land. He gifted them with Chi, a personal guidance spirit, to guide and protect them. As time passed, Chukwu Okike sent 4 great spirits, Eke, Orie, Afor, and Nkwo, to watch over the Igbo people, teaching them the way of life and the universe. These spirits embody the value of the Igbo people, including their deep respect for family bonds, community spirit, and ancestral heritage. During a great famine, 4 venerable elders embodying the spirit appeared to the Igbo people. Despite their own struggle, the Igbo show remarkable hospitality, sharing their mega resources with the elders. Moved by their kindness, the elders revealed themselves as Eke, Orie, Afor, and Nkwo, and bestowed upon the Igbo a mystical basket overflowing with wisdom. The spirit imparted sacred knowledge, teaching the Igbo people the importance of honoring their days, resting on their days, and avoiding certain activities. The Igbo people accepted the covenant, and their lives flourished as they observed the 4 market days, paying homage to the spirit. The 4 spirits taught them Nsibidi, a sacred system of sign and symbol that would become the foundation of Igbo science and creativity. From the 4 market days, the Igbo people created their concept of days, weeks, months, and year. They learned how to grow crops, travel, and navigate their world. The Igbo people continue to revere the spirit, ensuring their legacy endured. The mystical basket became a symbol of divine provision and guidance, reminding the Igbo of the importance of spiritual growth, balance, and harmony in the day life. This rich cultural narrative highlights the significance of Igbo traditions, community, and spirituality. A prophecy came from the spirit of Nkwo, warning of a time of war and trouble, brought by a spirit named Ekwensu. Ekwensu would help the people fight battles, but at a great cost. Igbo people would have to navigate this complex web of fate and free will, relying on their spiritual heritage to guide